Typically, Medi-Spa facial kits were designed for 5 different skin types. This one is the normal skin type. This is the one that basically everyone could use at some point or another. It takes 20 minutes from beginning to end to do the facial if you follow the step-by-step instructions included in the box. Each step is written on the jar. The products have enough in them for you to do 2 facials for each kit. Just use half of what's in each of your jars. We give you a little spatula so you can scoop out the contents of the jar. Step 2 is your prevention step, which is your toner, and it even has a little spray mister, which is really neat. It's hard to spray directly on your skin and you kind of waste it, so I always like to spray it on my fingers. Spray it into the fingers, tap them together, and then put it on the face. All the rest of the products have step-by-step, like I said, all instructions to show you exactly how to use it in 20 minutes for great results.